Are Jeep Wranglers expensive to insure and maintain? If you are considering a Jeep Wrangler and wondering about the costs associated with insuring and maintaining this vehicle, you are in the right place. Let's break down the details to give you a clearer picture. First off, Jeep Wranglers typically have moderate to somewhat higher insurance costs compared to many other vehicles. On average, the annual insurance cost for a Jeep Wrangler ranges from approximately $900 to $2,200. This variation depends on several factors, including your driving history, coverage level, and where you live. For most drivers with good records, you can expect to pay around $1,949 to $2,159 per year for insurance. While this is somewhat above the average for many cars, it is still less than some other Jeep models or luxury sport utility vehicles. Younger drivers often face higher premiums due to their increased risk of accidents. However, once you reach the age of 25, your insurance costs may decrease significantly. The cost to insure a Jeep Wrangler is usually higher than smaller or economy vehicles but can be lower than larger or more luxury-oriented sport utility vehicles. Several factors influence the insurance rates for Jeep Wranglers. These include repair costs, safety features, theft rates, and how you use the vehicle. For instance, if you frequently take your Jeep off-road, this may impact your insurance rate. Now, let's talk about maintenance costs. Jeep Wranglers are known for their rugged design and off-road capabilities. However, maintenance and repair costs can be higher than average. This is often due to specialized parts and components that are necessary for off-road features. If you use your Jeep Wrangler heavily for off-road adventures, you may find that repairs are more frequent. Routine maintenance costs can also be higher than those for typical sedans, but they are generally comparable to other sport utility vehicles in their class. From an insurance perspective, the maintenance aspect can indirectly affect your premiums. Higher repair costs can lead to increased claims expenses, which insurance companies take into account when calculating your premium. In summary, Jeep Wranglers are moderately expensive to insure compared to the average car. With annual insurance premiums typically ranging from $900 to over $2,000, it is essential to consider your driving habits and compare insurance quotes. Maintenance costs are also somewhat higher due to the vehicle's off-road design and specialized parts. Understanding these factors will help you gauge the full cost of ownership for a Jeep Wrangler.